Guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I have the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, and of course I'll be showing you how to operate the portrait mode. And of course portrait mode of course is a mode inside of your camera. Portrait mode is a mode inside of your camera that's ideal for as the name suggests, for taking portrait shots. All right, so all you got to do to take a portrait shot is to go ahead and click on portrait, and of course you'll notice that it goes to 3x zoom, meaning that it's meant for portrait close-up shots, usually of a subject such as yourself or a friend, and of course can be used with the front or the main camera. Now check this out guys, I'll be using a stand-in, and here's my stand-in here guys, which is this toy. All right, so it says ready, so I'm just gonna frame. It says stay a couple of feet away. You're gonna watch out for the ready, and I'm just gonna do this. There you go. And of course the advantage of portrait mode is that it works just like with DSLR cameras, where it blurs the background. So all you gotta do is stay the required feet, and of course once it says ready and you stay within 3 to 5 feet of your subjects, and of course it gets the perfect shot, it will work. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and go to the picture here, and as you can see guys, you can see that it has worked, and I know it does work because it says here change the effect. All right, so of course if we go over here as well, you'll notice it says change the background effects. All right, this one is not so nice. Usually it's recommended you take at least a few shots to get it just right, but normally it will get it right as long as you didn't shake your hands. So keep your hands steady and stay the required distance. So I usually like to take at least 2 shots. As you can see here, this one was perfect, and you know it's working because the subject, which is in the forefront, is clear, and of course the background is now blurred. And of course you can tweak the effects. So all you gotta do is go ahead on the picture and is go to change background effects. And I love these as it can obscure the background. You can mess with the strength. You can mess with the strength of the effect. So notice it's on blur, and as you can notice as well, the plants in the background are out of focus. But if I want to as well, I could go ahead and mess with the studio lighting, and you see you can mess around. I could go with the spin, and I can increase or decrease the intensity. Notice the background has that spin effect while we are seeing the foreground here on the front. The subject is actually still visible. We can do this one here that's more intense as well, or I could just go with this one that has that effect here that kind of messes with the background. So the choice is yours as to which works best for you. All right, so I'm just going to choose one that's most unique. All right, this one is quite intense. Once you're satisfied, go and hit apply. Once you apply guys, it will apply. If you don't like the effects, you can go in later on and revert. So as you can see here, it does give you this beautiful picture, and you can mess with the intensity. You can turn it up and down, and you can see the background doesn't look bad at all, and the subject in the foreground is nicely done. And of course if you want to change, you can go back and apply anything that's done, or if you want you can revert back to the original as well. All right, so I'm going to cancel that, and that's how you do a portrait shot. Great for uploads such as places as social media and so on. All right, I'm going to tutorial here guys. If you have any questions on this mode, you can ask them below. As always guys, Ricardo from Blog Tech Tips, and bye until next time. Bye.